To transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coins.ph, start by opening the Coins.ph app and logging into your account. Next, click on the portfolio icon at the bottom. Then select the Deposit Crypto option, which will give you two choices. From there, click on the Deposit Crypto button and choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive from Coinbase. Select the desired network, and you will be provided with your cryptocurrency wallet address. Once you have your wallet address, open the Coinbase app and click on the My Assets option or the Send button on the home screen. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Coins.ph from the list. Then paste the wallet address you copied from the Coins.ph app into the required field. Click the Continue button. Enter the amount you want to transfer in US dollars or the selected cryptocurrency, and click the Preview button. If a warning appears, click Continue. Then verify that all the details are correct and click the Send Now button. Your cryptocurrency will then be transferred from Coinbase to Coins.ph.